welcome everyone. So today we're gonna be making these fluffy blueberry pancakes. In a bowl I have 2 tablespoons of salted butter that I melted. Now to that we're going to add 1 egg. So we added 1 egg, 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, and we're going to whisk all of this together. Now for our dry ingredients, we have 1/2 cup of cake flour and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of blueberry salt. You can just use regular salt, but I have blueberry salt available, so I'm going to use that. So I placed all our dry ingredients into a large bowl, whisked everything well so everything's pretty well incorporated, and now we're going to add our wet ingredients. I also forgot to mention that there's also 2 tablespoons of sugar that went into the dry ingredients. Now we're just going to whisk this together until everything's just combined. If it's a little lumpy, that's perfectly fine. You don't want to overmix the batter. So you just want to mix it until it's combined. Almost there. Perfect. Now I added some butter and I'm just going to add our pancake mix. I have the heat on medium-low. So I added the batter, added a sprinkle of blueberries on top, and I'm gonna wait till they're bubbles and they pop, and that's when you know it's ready to flip. And once you see the bubbles popping, we are going to flip. How gorgeous does this look? It smells so good, you guys. I can't even begin to explain.